Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download WorldBox, God Simulator on your PC. First things first, if you don't already have Steam installed on your PC, you'll need to download and install it. Open your web browser and go to Steam's official website. Once you're on the Steam website, click on the green button that says Install Steam. Download the installer and run it. After installing Steam, open it and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on Create a Free Account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Steam home page. Now, it's time to search for WorldBox, God Simulator. In the top right corner, you'll see a search bar. Type WorldBox, God Simulator and hit enter. You'll see WorldBox, God Simulator in the search results. Click on it to go to the game store page. On the WorldBox, God Simulator store page, you'll see a button that says Add to Cart. Click on it. Once your purchase is complete, WorldBox, God Simulator will be added to your Steam library. To download and install the game, go to your library by clicking on Library at the top of the screen. In your library, you'll see WorldBox, God Simulator listed on the left side. Click on it, and then click on the Install button. Steam will ask you where you want to install the game. Choose your preferred location and click Next. The game will start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this might take some time. Once the download is complete, you can launch WorldBox, God Simulator by clicking the Play button in your library. That's it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Bye-bye.